Good morning, welcome to Thursday. Back in the saddle, back at work. Got a 2-stop delivery. First stop's in Buffalo. Second stop's in Niagara Falls. Took a little bit of a personal snow day yesterday. I call it a personal snow day because that sounds better than a mental health or a save the sanity type of day. But yeah, it's too early for this. And I'm rolling. I-90 westbound and down once I get off the ramp here. Well, I'm out here at my first stop out here in Buffalo, New York. I have an 8 a.m. appointment. Got here at 7:35, which it's always good to be early. And got back right in, and they started unloading their stuff off of here. And I have a second stop out in Niagara Falls. And the place I'm going to in Niagara Falls, they're usually a little bit slower than here, or a few other places out in this area. But, alright, all done here in Buffalo. Rolling out to Niagara Falls. I have an 11:30 a.m. appointment, which means I'll probably be sitting for a little while. Because the place I'm going, they're usually... we don't start until 11:30 because that's what your appointment is. Alright. Whatever. This guy's trying to get over the left-hand lane. That guy in the white car just pulled up so he couldn't get over there. Now he's backing up to let him in. Oh, I love seeing stuff like that. Makes me laugh. Laugh out loud. Okay, so here's my view from stop number 2. This is out here in Niagara Falls, New York. That parking lot over there goes to that movie theater over there. Got here around 9:30, appointments for 11:30. And they told me they couldn't start me until 11:30 because their unloading crew wasn't here to unload me. Which is typical, that's normal. So I backed in at 11:30 and now they're unloading me, and just made myself a nice buffalo chicken sandwich, which was pretty tasty. Gonna have myself a bag of chips. Had an orange earlier. It was pretty good. That's about all that's going on. Just another exciting day here at Bendover Express. Hey, slow down. You're speeding. Oh boy. Not sure what I'm doing next. Once I'm done here, I'll give dispatch a call and find out, because as you know, I work on a need-to-know basis. When I need to know what I'm doing, they'll let me know. Well, I thought I'd bring old Joe out here for jam a little bit today. Thank you very much. Try, argue, or hold it. Huh? What?
I think you play slide?
No, I can't do slide.
Practice it. Practice. Only 2 types of American music. Well, 3 types. Country, jazz, and blues.
I can do a little country, but not much.
Practice some slide.
Practice some slide?
Practice some slide. Especially acoustic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Got a fan. Alright. Well, that was a lot of fun. All done out here in Niagara Falls. Got there, what was it, like 9:40 in the morning. Left there about 3:15. There's a little detention time involved in that. Now I'm on my way to our drop yard out here in Buffalo. I'm going to drop my empty and pick up a load heading back to Syracuse. And there's a good chance I'm going to probably have to use the old 16-hour exception to make it back to the yard. I'm pushing real close on time, and with the way traffic goes out here in Buffalo after 3 in the afternoon, there's a good chance I'm going to get held up in a backup or just really slow-moving traffic, which is the norm for out here. It's been a decent weather day, can't really complain. Not a big money making day, but you know, that's nothing new. Oh boy. Easy pass. Easy pass. One of the best inventions ever, the old Easy Pass. When it says 5 though, you gotta make sure you're doing around 5, because if you get too many speeding violations through the Easy Pass, they'll suspend your tag. We just had a memo about that going around with the company I work for. Apparently a couple drivers have had their tags suspended for speeding through the Easy Pass, which doesn't make any sense, but hey, you know, speed limits are speed limits. Alright, just did my drop and hook out here at our Buffalo yard. Heading back to Syracuse. Gonna be cutting it real close. As in shoehorn close. As in paper thin close. Oh, this is such a joy coming here. Gotta watch out for fences and telephone poles and cars. Gotta love it, right? That's right. All part of city driving. Normally I would come out here at this light and then make a really wide swing to take the ramp from 190 south. I decided to go this way instead today. Eastbound and down, heading back to Syracuse. Yay, yay, round of applause, done for today. Oh, wait. Yay, bestest sound ever. Double bass. Yeah. Alright, well, Thursday's done. It's in the books. Let's see, drove 343 miles today. Let's see, 242 puts me roughly around 800 something for the week. It's going to be a low mileage week because I took a personal snow day this week. And, I just don't care. I just don't care. My, give a crap is gone out the window. I just don't care. I don't care anymore. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Anyway, back here in the yard. I'm out of time for the day. Officially on my 10-hour break. I'm going to go home, take a nap. I believe I have a load out to Brockport in the morning. And the key I used to operate the fuel pump here is not working. Again! It's like the second time I've had a problem with this key within like a month. Last one they said, well, you need to keep it away from magnets because it's been completely erased. Well, it's doing the same thing again. I have no magnets in the truck, no magnets anywhere near it at home. So unless aliens are coming down and demagnetizing it or whatever, I don't know. Anyway, I've rambled on long enough. I will talk to y'all next time. Y'all have a good day, eh? I'm out of here.